Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa ahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Allahumma ja'alil Qur'ana rabi'a qulubina wa nura sudurina. Allahumma ameen. So we are going to start our today's session. Last week we have started the second part of the Nahv. The first rule we discussed last week was explain about the types of lam. So next today we are going to start about the sentences. Before doing the sentences, we just have a short revision for the opposite of sentence, that is fragments. As we have studied about the fragments, that fragments are basically opposite of sentence. It is more than a word but less than sentence. It doesn't give complete sense. And just there are types of fragments. Four fragments we have studied in detail: mudaf, mudaf ilay, sifa masuf, jar majroor, ismul ishara, mushar ilahi. And all these are combination of nouns. Like Baytullahi, house of Allah, Sifa Masuf, Baytun Jamilun, beautiful house, Jar Majrur, before noun, any one of 11, Bitaka, Liva, Fi, Min, An Ala, Hatta Ala, Hatta Ila. So if the jar comes before any noun, so the noun status of noun will be in jar, or that noun will be called as majroor, like minallahi, from Allah. And then we have mushar, mushar ilay. There are ismul ishara, haza, hazihi, haulai, zalika, tilka, ulaika. And after that, al, noun with al comes, so that will be ismul ishara, mushar ilay. And all of these, they are not sentences, they are called fragments. They don't give the complete sense. So today we have just before did these sentences, but today we are going to start and we will just learn more. And there is kind of revision that the sentences, all the verses, when you see that they are sentences. In Arabic, we see that there are two kind of sentences. Number one is called jumla ismiya, and second is called jumla fa'liya. Sentence in Arabic, we say it as jumla ismiya, jumla fi'liya, nominal sentence and verbal sentence. Nominal sentence mostly starts with noun, and that will be in rafa status. And the verbal sentence, as from the name, it says it starts with verb. So we have two type of sentences. Number one, nominal sentence and verbal sentence. So next, how come, like when we say that Baytullahi, house of Allah, that is not complete sentence. How that will come complete sentence when there is am are. We put helping verb, and especially in Arabic, we don't see any words for is am are. We have to put by ourselves. So, like Zalikal Kitabu, that book. But when we say Zalika Kitabu, Zalika Kitabun, that is book. Hazal Kitabun, Hazal Kitabu, this book. But when we say Haza Kitabun, this is book. So when we put is mr, so it give us a complete sense. So today we just learned that how we can put uh, is rm. The first thing is that these helping verb is r and m. There is no Arabic word. There is no Arabic harf we have. We have to put by ourselves. We have to see the say the sentence, and then we have to put in a proper place. So today we will see that how when we will have the sentences mean that give complete sense, and expression or complete combination of words that give us complete sense is called sentence. And in sentence there will be is, are, and am. Now the question is how we will put is, am, are from ourselves. and where we have to put. There are some rules, so that we will just review those rules, or we can say that they are the guidelines that will help us that how we can put is, are, and am. Like we have, just if you look at the sentence Allahu Akbar, and we are discussing, and it is about the nominal sentence, and we will see the more in the next class about nominal sentence. But nominal sentence which starts with ism, like Allahu Akbar, Allahu Khaliqun. Now how we will translate in English? So this is, if we look at this, Allah, this is a proper noun, and Akbar is common noun. Again, Allah is proper noun, Khaliqun is uh, common noun. When it comes like this, when there is a proper noun followed by a common noun, then you have to put these helping verb, is, am, are, whatever it's we have to put after the proper noun, like Allahu Akbar, Allah is bigger. Allahu Khaliqun, Allah is creator. So just Temia, I just need your help. Temia is not there.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Temia. So here, what we are discussing today, can you please just revise whatever we discussed today up till now?
We're doing nominal sentences and verbal sentences.
Okay,
Nominal
just tell me
sentence.
what is the difference between sentences and fragments?
Um, sentence are like a full
It gives
sentence,
complete
complete
sense.
sense, and then fragments
Fragments,
don't make sense.
yeah, and they are more than word but less than sentence. Like how many fragments we have studied before?
Four.
Four. Name them.
Mudaf mudaf ilay,
Yes.
sifa mawsuf,
Yes.
jar majrur, and nawasibul
Jar ismul ishara mushar ilay.
ismul ishara mushab.
Ishara. These are the four, and they are just fragment. And opposite of fragment is
Fragment. Oh, I meant
opposite
sentence.
sentences. Okay, sentence fragments are not complete sentence. So sentences which give us complete sense. This is sentence. And there are two type of sentences. Number one,
There's a nominal sentence and verbal sentence.
and nominal sentence mostly starts with
A noun
okay, and verbal sentence
start with a verb.
verb. So today we are if let's say, let me change this. If I say Allahu Al Akbar, Al Akbaru, what will be the translation for that?
Allah is bigger.
No, I said Allahu Al Akbar.
Allah the biggest.
Allah the biggest. Yes, that is fragment. That is
Fragment.
fragment. But when I have Allah and Akbar, Allah is a proper noun and Akbar is a
Common noun.
common noun. So now it becomes sentence. And in this case, we said that how we can put is MR after
After the proper noun.
proper noun. Where is proper noun?
Allah.
Allah.
Proper
So
noun.
what will be the translation? Allahu Akbar.
Allah is bigger.
Allah is bigger. So if I change this, Allahu al Khaliqu, what will be the translation for that?
Allah the creator.
Allah the creator. Very good. That is a fragment. So I remove al. So Allahu Khaliqun.
Allah is the creator.
Allah is. So you are, there is no is here in Arabic, but we have to put is, and we are putting is where? After,
A proper noun.
followed by
The common noun.
common noun. Thank you very much. Thank you. The second guideline we have, thank you, Temia, that after detached pronoun, First of all, we know the detached pronoun. The first lesson of this course, we started with detached pronoun. Huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. And after detached pronoun, so we have to put is, am, are. Whatever will be suitable, we have to put is, am, are. But after detached pronoun. So I would ask Daniel.
Yes.
So second one here, huwa muslimun.
He is Muslim.
He is a Muslim. Nahnu Muslimun.
We are Muslims.
We are Muslim. So first guideline is where we have to put is MR.
A proper noun followed by a common noun.
So after proper noun we have to put it. Okay.
Yes.
And second case, when there is detached pronoun, what we have to do?
Is Amar.
After detached pronoun, we have to. How detached pronouns are? Just for revision.
هو هم أنت أنتم أنا نحن.
Ana nahnu. This is second guideline. The third one is after nawasibul ism and their mansoob. And we did this nawasibul ism as well. Inna, anna, kanna, lakinna, laita, la'alla. So we have three nawasib. We have six nawasibul ism, because when they just noun comes after them, that will become mansoob. Inna, anna, kanna, laita, lakinna, la'alla. So these are the six nawasibul ism. These are six nawasib. Inna, anna, kanna, laita, lakinna, la'alla. After that, whatever ism comes, that will the status of that noun will be nasab, or that noun will be mansub. So in such case, when this comes, so we have to put after the uh, nawasibul ism and their mansub. Like we have annal quwwata. This is nawasibul ism and its mansub is quwwata. Annal quwwata. That all power is for Allah. So the after this combination, nawasibul ism and their mansub, annal quwwata lillahi. After this, annal quwwata, this is nawasibul ism is anna and mansub is al quwwata. After that, we have to put is mr. That all the powers is for Allah or are for Allah. What will be the suitable? We have to put is mr there. The fourth one is after pointer, ismul ishara. First, Ibrahim Khan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Can you please tell me the ismul ishara pointers? What are the pointers?
The small ishara or hazihi, hadani, hadaini, hadaini, haulai, and
Very
then
good.
the masculine haza, hazani, hazaini, and
This is masculine haza. What is the feminine of haza?
hazihi,
Hazi. Similarly, for that, what is Arabic for that? Masculine?
hada,
Zalika.
zalik,
Zalika is that. And what is the feminine of Zalika?
tilka,
Tilka. And the plural of Zalika and Tilka is Ulaika. So ismul ishara, just to, in simply, just you can say hada, hadihi, haulai, zalika, tilka, ulaika. They are very important. They six. At least we should know this one. Haza, hazihi, and the plural of haza, hazihi is haulai. Zalika is that. Feminine of zalika is tilka, and the plural of zalika and tilka is ulaika. Those. At least we should know that, because they are used a lot and we already studied them in detail. A lot of time has been spent on these things. So ismul ishara, we should know the ismul ishara. Now it says that when this ismul ishara, just is saying that ismul ishara will come in the sentence. So right after ismul ishara, we have to put is mr. So Ibrahim, first I have to ask you, I will change this. I will say Haza al Qur'anu. What is the translation for Haza al Qur'anu?
ad, ad, uh, this the Quran.
This Qur'an. Yeah, this Qur'an. Similarly, hadal kitabu.
Hazal kitabu. This book.
This book. It's mean that is not a sentence. And right now we are talking about sentence. In sentence, there will be no al. So after ismul ishara, after ismul ishara, when there is no al, because when there is al, so that doesn't make sense because that is not a sentence. That is ismul ishara mushar alayh from fragment. So when it comes like in this case, hada, and then there is a common noun after that. So we have to put lie right after ismul ishara. So what will be the translation for haza Qur'anun?
This is Quran.
Qur'an. Tilka rusulu,
Tilka. That is the Rasul.
messenger. But in this case, we know that because rusul is broken plural and it is treated as third person singular feminine, that's why tilka is there. But the translation will be same. Those messengers. What will be the translation?
Those are the
Those
messengers.
are no tilka rusulu. What is the meaning?
Uh, those
Those
are the messengers.
are
Is the messengers.
is see here. Is it a sentence? You just
Uh,
said Hazal Qur'anu. What is the translation?
uh, this is the
No,
Quran.
Hazal. Focus on al. Hazal Qur'anu.
The Quran. This Quran.
This Quran. Tilka rusulu.
That
Those
those are messengers.
those messengers. Because of rusul, we have to translate it as those. But in Arabic, it will be treated as tilka. But when I remove al, then it will be tilkar rusulu. But al cannot be. So tilka rusulun. So when then al comes, so we cannot put is mr here. Haza Quranun. What is the translation again?
This Quran.
No. Haza Quranun. There is no al.
Oh, this is Quran.
Haza kitabun.
This is book.
This is book. After haza, but when there is no al. If there is al, so we will not put is mr because that will be ismul ishara mushar ilay. The next guideline, the number 5. Thank you, Ibrahim. Saad.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can you please tell me grammatically inna rahmata? What is this?
Inna rahmata, it's nawasibul ism.
So, okay. Rahmatallahi.
Rahmatallahi, mudaf mudaf ilayh.
Okay. Any combination between Allahi Qareebun? No.
No.
No. So this is there is a chance here. Ismul nawasibul is
Nawasibul ism.
mansub, then mudaf ilay, then there is no. So it is a chain starting from inna, it breaks at Allah here. So we have to put is mr right after that. So how you will translate it?
Indeed, mercy of Allah is close.
Is near.
Is
Is.
near.
You just put is here. Why? Because this all is a combination. They are the combination. Fragments keep, they are going on. Whenever there is a break, then we have to put is mr. So these are the 5 guidelines. Number 1, when there is a proper noun followed by common noun, right after proper noun, we have to put is. Second thing is after detached pronoun, huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. The third is now after nawasibul ism and their mansub, like annal quwwata, then we have to put. And after pointer, when there is no al, when there is a al, of course, that is not a sentence. We are just talking about the sentence. Haza Quranun is a sentence, and this is a fragment, ismul ishara mushar alayh. So when this is a situation, when there is a common noun after ismul ishara, so we have to put right after ismul ishara. And when we have multiple there chain, when the chain gets break, so we have to put is MR. These are just a guideline. Let's take some example from the Quran. Let me ask Brother Tamur.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.
Walaikum assalam. Can you please translate Haza rahmatum min Rabbi?
هذا this is rahmatun, a mercy from my Lord.
My Lord. Which guideline we have used while translating this?
It's the pointer.
After pointer when there is no al.
There is no alif, yes.
Okay. So can you please translate again?
This is a mercy from my Lord.
This is mercy. So important thing that we are using is MR in this. Okay. Musab Iqbal.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can you please read this ayah?
Ulaika ashabun nar.
Okay.
Ulaika, those ashab, companions, an-nar, the fire.
Okay. So how you will translate?
Those are companions of the fire.
So where you which guideline you have used?
Break and chain.
Is there break-in chain? I did not see that.
No,
What is the chain? Can you please tell?
Ulaika ashabun nar. Oh, this after pointer.
After pointer when there is no al. If there was al, then we can say that there is, but there is no break-in chain. After pointer, if there is no al, right after that you have to put.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Abir,
Yes.
can you please take this ayah?
Okay. Innal insana lafi khusr. Inna indeed al insana the human la for sure be in khusr loss. Indeed the human is surely in loss.
So, which rule you have applied here to put is MR?
After the nawasibul ism
So, what is ism nawasibul ism here?
inna
Inna
and
and mansub is?
insana.
So, after that, can you please translate again?
Indeed the human is surely in loss.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's take the last one. Brother Kabir there? No. Okay, so, Sister Afia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Can you please take this one?
ربنا رب السماوات والأرض.
Okay.
ربنا, O our Lord.
And Rabbuna, what is the translation?
Our Lord.
Our Lord, yeah.
Rabbu, Lord, السماوات, the skies, والأرض, and the earth.
Okay. So, Rabbus Samawati is what?
Mudaf
Mudaf ilayh. And Al-Ardi is also Mudaf ilayh of
Rabbu.
Rabbu. So, is there any relation between Rabbuna and Rabb? No.
No.
No, it is starting from here. So, we have to put here. So, how you will translate it, please?
Our Lord is the Lord of the skies and the earth.
Skies and earth. Okay, that's it. So, we have to finish it here. There will be no breakout room. So, we have to go for second session. Just these are the simple guidelines. So, we should see that, take a print screen, or just they will be available in the notes as well. Just we have to revise, and whenever we have to use them while reading the Quran and translate.